Good morning. We're gonna vlog today, I decided. Today's Monday. I'm a social media specialist downtown Vancouver. And I'm gonna show you what a normal day looks like. I work from home, but today specifically I'm renting out my apartment on this open space. So I have a meeting with my company in a couple minutes. I just finished like a quick Zoom makeup. Yeah, so we have a quick meeting with my company, and then we're hopping into this open space. I'm gonna pass over my keys to this guy. This guy works for Netflix. They've been renting out my apartment quite a bit. They're filming nearby, and they kind of just want like a quiet space nearby to like chill. But I think some of the writers are like, I need quiet space. So I've been renting out to them, which has been awesome. I've been really enjoying this open space. So I'm gonna go to a coffee shop. I have a couple errands to run. And Steven also gave me his key in case I want to go work there if I'm not able to focus at a coffee shop. Sometimes I can't really focus. But I can show you guys kind of like some of the tasks I'm doing today, and yeah, let's get to it. Just finished a good work sesh at JJ Bean, but I felt like I was overstaying my welcome. It's now like 3 o'clock. You know, on Mondays you're just like, I'm gonna crush today and get so much work done, but then like 100 other things pop up. Basically what happened today, but I just need to get outside and get some fresh air, go for a walk. I still have someone in my apartment from the open space booking, so I'm gonna head to Steven's. I have his key to his apartment, LOL. Fully in a relationship with a gay man, so I'm just gonna go to Steven's and continue working for now, and then I think him and I are gonna hang, cook a healthy dinner, and maybe go shopping for Halloween costumes tonight. Look how pretty! Yale Town in the fall is so nice. How was work, sweetie?
So good.
Got some packages?
Packages, and I got a letter from my building probably saying that I'm making too much noise. Oh my god, it's a little fucking drug bag.
Like, it's like literally a candy shop. I literally can't wait. minus your stubble. But like it just changes your face.
Oh yeah, stash is coming out. Oh!
It's just so different. It's so different with hair on you. Steven invited me over, and now he has me cooking.
On the crispy tofu.
Tofu on top of the, jeez, be careful. Quinoa, veggies. Oh. We did sweet potato, Brussels sprouts, bell peppers, mushrooms. Mm-hmm. Yummy! For dessert, Salt Lake City Housewives.
Thank you.
Tea time.
To get in there tonight to prove your innocence.
Cuddle.
We just didn't do it. Are you kidding me? This time?
What?
Okay.
Good morning, Vancouver. Tuesday. This is how I like to break up my daily to-do list. I always categorize work, workouts, and personal tasks. So for work, I just have like a strategy to do for a new client, and then an existing client needs some stuff done. And then workout, I'm going for my hour walk before work, before my meetings, gym at 2. As per usual, this is my usual workout. And then personal today, I have a Poshmark order to fill. I need to post something on IG. I haven't in a few days. So I'm just gonna post something or film something in my apartment. And then I need to get groceries. I've had my apartment rented out the last few days. I've no food in here. I'm literally going to be eating like instant oatmeal until I go get something. But that's on the agenda today. So on my way out, I'm going for my morning walk. I'm just gonna drop off a Poshmark order. Someone just ordered this sweater and I love Poshmark because they send the prepaid shipping labels, and I just have this like wireless printer. I literally just pull it out for my Poshmark orders and throw it back in my den. But it's that simple. Alright, so now I just finished up some meetings. I had 2 morning meetings, and I've got some scrambled eggs and a coffee. I have 0 groceries. I need to go do that later. But I'm just gonna sit and do some work for a few hours. I'm curious, like, how do people like vlog or make working interesting? Honestly, I'm a social media specialist, right? So I have a client who wants me to redo a post again. And then I have a full strategy I need to do for a new client, which is like a facial laser clinic, which is right up my alley. So I'm really excited. So I'm excited to like brainstorm and do that. So I can't really show you any of the work because that's like an invasion of like the agency I work for. But yeah, it's actually a fairly fun like work day. And then I'm gonna head to the gym, and honestly, I'll probably head to the gym and continue to work afterwards, but I also need to create like some sort of Instagram reel before the sun goes down. So we're shooting this replica fragrance this afternoon. It's called Autumn Vibes. I'm just doing like a neck down shot. It's gonna be a detail shot with like a lacy bra, some gold jewelry, maybe my autumn flowers. But yeah, that is the vibe this afternoon. I'll show you what the end result is. I just got back from the gym. I posted this on my Instagram before I went, but I've been doing this Bondi Boost challenge, and it's supposed to make your hair long and thick, and my hair's always been thick, but usually it gets really thin at the ends. Like usually my braid is like pathetic down here, and it is so long and thick. Do not sleep on Bondi Boost products, honestly. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap up for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow, but I'm skipping groceries tonight, so I'm just gonna go grab a chicken salad at this little place downstairs and get to this strategy, because this is gonna take me like quite a few hours, and it's already 5 o'clock. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. Don't mind my face mask. I'm breaking out so bad. This is my first week I've really stuck to no dairy in a while, which really makes me break out. So my skin is just on the mend. Beauty of working from home is you get to do a face mask first thing in the morning with your coffee. But it is like yucky and raining out today, and it's Wednesday. Wednesday is my big laundry day. So I'm gonna strip my bed in a second. I already put through 1 load of laundry. It's ready to go. But honestly, today is really lame. So I'm probably just going to skip Wednesday in this vlog, and because I'm literally working, going to the gym, and doing laundry. So tomorrow's gonna be a little bit more exciting, and we'll see you guys then. This has been one of my go-to breakfasts lately. Oatmeal, fresh blueberries, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, shredded coconut, and a little bit of sugar-free maple syrup. So good. Happy Thursday! So yesterday, again, super boring day. I ended up working till like 11 p.m. So I started at like 9 and worked all the way through till 11. The nice thing about my job is I actually like it, so I can just like throw on TV and work away, like work more than a 12-hour day and not really care, because I actually somewhat enjoy the work. And have the flexibility to do something like what I'm doing today. So basically I squished in 2 days of work into 1 yesterday so that I can focus on some campaigns for Instagram for my own personal stuff today. So today I woke up, watched the Beverly Hills reunion. Obviously, I just FaceTime with my friend Iman and her cute dog. I'll put in a photo of Bentley. He's so cute. Follow him. He's on TikTok and Instagram. But today it's actually nice out, and we're calling for like rain for seriously the next like 9 days. So I'm gonna pop out for a run, go for a run. It's already like noon. I had some work things to do, just make sure everyone's posts are up and ready to go. And just like a couple work things came up, so I worked a little bit this morning. But starting now, I'm taking the rest of the day off. I'm gonna go for a run, get my workout in, shower, and then I have to film some Instagram campaigns for Bondi Boost. It's a hair collab I've been doing for the last few months. So I'm gonna get my hair nice and washed up for that so I can style it, and then I kind of just want to do my own reel for like some fall fashion. And then tonight I'm going to this VIP James Bond event. It's not an event. And then tonight I'm going to the VIP theater in West Van to see the new James Bond with my friend Derek, and they're gonna like treat us to dinner and wine and stuff, so I'm super excited for that. But today's a more fun like content creator day, so I'll be able to show you guys a little bit of that. So just got some goodies in the mail from Way and from Lush. Let's open these up. So from Lush they sent over like a little hair bundle. So there's like a hair mask, hair conditioner, hair primer. This is like a hair oil treatment and a oil shampoo bar, but never enough like deep conditioned masks. I love when they're big size like this too, because my hair, I have so much hair. Cute. Thank you, Lush. And then from Way I got in their new candles, and we have Melrose Place and North Bondi, which North Bondi, guys, is so good. I have some of their like fragrances, and the candles came with this cute little burn book. And just like Mean Girls, it says like Melrose Place does car commercials in Japan. North Bondi met John Stamos on a plane, told her she was pretty. Like, they're just so good. And at the back of the burn book, they have a cute little like Spotify playlist. Honestly, take note from Way. Like, their branding is just seriously unmatched. Alright, so I absolutely just destroyed my apartment styling some outfits. So I styled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 outfits. I'm gonna do a reel in this mirror and shoot my Bondi Boost hair. So I need to blow dry my hair and get ready super, super quick because Derek's picking me up at 5. Okay, so I just spent the entire afternoon filming. I did a fashion reel. I'll insert it here.
I see you looking at me. I'm ready to go with you if you want me. Cause baby, there's no one that makes me smile the way that you do. You one of a kind. If you hold me, then you will see I'm all you need. Baby, just take my hand.
And then I also just like shot my Bondi Boost ads. I have clothes everywhere, like everywhere, and I have half an hour before Derek picks me up for this James Bond thing, so I need to like scoot it and boot it because I have an open space booking again in the morning, and this movie's like 3 hours, so I'm not gonna get home till like 10 o'clock. So let's go. Derek with his hat backwards. And alas, it is Friday, guys. Today I am working. I thought I had an open space booking, but when I got home from that movie, like the VIP James Bond thing, the guy canceled on me, which I was honestly fine with because my place is upside down. So I have time today to get some work done, get my apartment in order. Every Friday I've made it a routine to go get a service done. So like last week I got my nails done, which if you haven't seen them, like I love just like these little brown French tips. But today I'm going to get my brows done. They are in horrible shape. They just have absolutely no shape to them anymore. So I'm going, for the first time ever, I'm going to Bombay Brows in Yaletown. It's just like a 2-minute walk. So I just want to get them shaped and done. Honestly, I've always done my own brows. I've never had someone else do my brows. I'm a little bit nervous because I don't want them to overdo it. But I really just want them shaped and done by a pro. So that is the service I'm getting done today. Next week I kind of want to go get like a facial or something. But I'm going to show you guys the before and after. So this is my brows before. And we can show you a cute little after. Say hello to Pino the pup.
Oh, Pino the puppy, Pino the puppy.
His owner went into the coffee shop and we're watching him.
Pino has some pounds on him. Pino's a little chick, baby. Look at that little booty go, Pino.
Gotta have a coffee with my chicken while I'm in the neighborhood. I don't know why I have this like pimple right here. It's such an odd place to get a pimple. But look how great my brows look. I've never in my life had my eyebrows threaded, and I really loved it. And they like trimmed and shaped my brows. They just look so good. I can't wait to like style them with my brow soap and everything. I have mascara all under here because my eyes are watering, but very happy with it. This is a great example of influencer work. You can spend the entire afternoon shooting content and the brand can ask you to reshoot, which people think it's just like a quick like snap and you're done, but it's really like a lot of back and forth and a lot of caption changes and just like little tweaks they want to make. So I just set up my tripod and took some photos of my hair, touched up the curls, and I have new photos to send over to the brand with some edits. And then I'm gonna dive into some work because I'm still working today. Okay, so fast forward quite a few hours. I am finished my work week. Woohoo! So I finished a strategy, sent that over to a client, and I also finished an entire content calendar for November for one of our clients, and also finished off my day of meetings. We just kind of do like a week wrap-up meeting, so I had that clip in. That's what I was doing. My coworkers are awesome. I freaking love them. They're so great. But anyways, in the meantime, I'm done my work. But anyways, so tonight, the Friday fun plan is to just go for dinner and drinks with my friend Becca, which is weird to say because she was my roommate for so long, so I just introduced her as my roommate, but I guess we're friends now that we don't live together. But her and I are just gonna go for dinner and drinks in Yaletown, which is like right there, and talk about our upcoming trip, which is Hawaii. I'm so excited. It's such a bucket list trip for both of us. So her and I are going in March of 2022, hopefully, with everything going on. But we're gonna, yeah, have dinner and drinks, kind of look through some ideas for that trip, and then come over here, you know, watch a movie, use our laptop to research more for Hawaii. So I just did my hair and makeup. I'm really into like classic winged liner and like a red lip lately, but I love this shade of red. It's not like that really bright, vibrant red. It's kind of like more, the way I would describe it is like more like burgundy red, but it's still red. Like when I look outside and look at all the fall leaves, it's kind of like that color of red. So I really like it. It's a little bit more like subdued and sophisticated, if I may, but it is YSL the Slim Matte in shade 211. Highly recommend. I think it's really pretty anyways. But yeah, let's go have some Friday fun. This is my outfit. I just have this really structured blouse I thrifted with some gold jewelry and this like sexy lace white bra underneath, high-rise mom jeans from Zara, black booties, and I'm just gonna throw on a coat and meet Miss Rebecca. My beautiful date. We are home now. What time is it? It's only 8:44. It's not even 9 o'clock. And we're about to research Hawaii. We can't wait. But anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you next time.